Here's Nick's Seagull Ultimate, going for a maiden flight. You've got a SAITO. What's this SAITO? What in it? 125.
Yeah.
SAITO 125 in it, 4-stroke. There's about 15 mile an hour gusty wind. Yeah, just right for a. Whoa! No, you're supposed to do aerobatics upstairs, not down below. Oh, well saved anyway. Keeping quiet while he adjusts the stuff, gets all the trims right. Not the best day for this.
A bit more weight in it.
I think that's gusted a bit more than 15 now.
Yeah.
A lot of beeping going on there, dear boy.
Be interesting getting near the deck.
Yeah. I hope the landing's not as good as the takeoff.
Me too.
Shouldn't have mentioned landing. Oh, well done, well done. Breathe easy.
That was interesting.
Yeah. Things people do for a laugh, eh?
Yeah.
Here he is, bringing it safely back. Nothing better than an exciting maiden. Well done, Nick.